Let's talk about the Pulsar X2V2. Now, in my opinion, this is one of the best mice I have seen this year. Now, this is the mini size. It is a claw grip optimized shape and fingertip optimized shape due to the size, but it is a very, very solid mouse. It also does have Pulsar's own switches and Pulsar's own encoder for the scroll wheel now, which is very interesting. But the mouse itself feels fantastic in hand. I will say I did replace the stock skates with my own skates for another review, but ignore that. But the stock skates are quite good. But the mouse in hand feels very, very good. The side buttons are nice and tactile. They have a good feel to them, and the main click also feels very consistent. Just overall, this is a really, really good feeling mouse. Scroll wheel feels amazing too. Now, the highlight of this mouse, in my opinion, is the coating. Now, for those of you who know, have been watching the channel for a little while, I am a big fan of the coating on the Razer DeathAdder V3, and the coating between these two mice is almost identical. To the fact I would say it's almost identical, but the Pulsar is a little grippier. It's a really solid mouse, and if you want a small mouse or fingertip grip, you should definitely check this out. If you want to learn more, I have a full review over on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check that out. The link will be up in my bio.